Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the size of text and apps in Windows 10 PC. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Display tab. Under Scale and Layout section, click on the drop-down menu below. Change the size of text, apps and other items. Select your preferred scaling percentage from the drop-down menu. As you can see, the changes has been applied. All the text, apps and other items looks bigger now. To switch back to default size, go back to the same page and select 100% recommended option. This is how you can change the size of text and apps in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.